How to make TikTok videos. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the plus icon from the bottom panel. It will take you to this camera page. You can set the timer of your TikTok video. Then, tap and hold the record button once you've decided the timer. After you finish recording, release the button. Then, tap on this next button. Then once you're in this page, you can see all the features and options that you can use to customize your video. So, by following these steps, you can easily make TikTok videos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.